Good day, Philippines, and we are back to our tropical weather analysis for today, Friday until Monday, June 25 to 28, 2021, and this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat. Beginning today, Friday until tomorrow, Saturday, we have the southwest monsoon is still prevailing across the western and central sections of Luzon, including the Batanes and Babuyan Islands and Metro Manila. So expect some partly sunny to cloudy skies with afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms across the mentioned areas. And winds will be light from the southwest from 30 to 40 kph, with some gustiness or squalls wherever there's a strong thunderstorms that will form within the monsoon system. And this is being enhanced as usual by the stationary front over to the Okinawa area. And right now we are looking at the northward movement of Champi. This is a severe tropical storm right now with winds of 110 kilometers per hour, and it's likely to reach typhoon classification within the day or tomorrow as it starts to interact with this stationary front, and within the next couple of days it could be a part of this frontal system and could become a extratropical cyclone. And this is a non-effect to our country, and it will not enter the Philippine Area of Responsibility. And we have a surface trough here to the south of the tropical storm, and so far we don't see any developing LPA as of this time. We are keeping an eye on this surface trough. If ever it develops into a shallow low pressure area, we will bring you the update on that in the next couple of days. Elsewhere across the Philippine Islands will remain dry with afternoon or evening isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly over the Visayas and Mindanao, and also areas of Palawan, Mindoro, Romblon, portions of the Bicol region will also have some good weather. And so far, that's the latest from our GovSat. And if we look at the latest fast animation, you can clearly see here the monsoonal flow affecting the western and central sections of Luzon, while you can see the northward movement of severe tropical storm Champi. And if we look at the Joint Typhoon Warning Center forecast track as of today, it is expected to become a typhoon, reaching a category 2 status within the next 24 to 48 hours before it will start to weaken once it moves into the frontal boundary. So this is the forecast for the next 5 days. So it's nothing unusual on the movement of this weather system. No effect in any parts of Asia Pacific. Here's the various Asian agencies monitoring the system, and it continues to show the system outside of the Philippine Area of Responsibility. Now let's take a look at our window.com zoom in satellite animation, which shows you the cloudiness across the Philippine Islands. So this is now the southwest monsoon moving into the central portions of Luzon, bringing some rains and thunderstorms. And just watch out for flash floods and lightning strikes whenever these thunderstorms passes over your area, and also across the areas of Ilocos region and some portions of the Batanes and Babuyan Islands. Elsewhere across the Visayas, we are looking at some isolated showers and thunderstorms, as well as the western sections of Mindanao. Later in the afternoon or evening, expect some local thunderstorms to develop in portions of central and eastern, including southern Mindanao. So here in the Bicol region, it remains dry, but there might be some isolated showers and thunderstorms as the afternoon progresses. And here's the latest 5-day rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days until Monday. As you can see here, lots of thunderstorms will still be expected across the northern portions of Luzon, particularly Isabela and Cagayan and Ilocos provinces. Some isolated showers and thunderstorms as well across central Luzon, southern Tagalog provinces, Mindoro, eastern, central, and western Visayas, and some severe thunderstorms will be expected across northern, western, and central Mindanao, including portions of northern Caraga this weekend, while the Bicol region remains dry with some chances of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, but this will only be a brief thunderstorm if ever one develops. And before we leave you is the wind forecast from the American model via the windy.com app, and for the next 3 days until Monday is still the same southwesterly surface wind flow or the southwest monsoon prevailing across extreme northern Luzon and the western sections of Ilocos region, while the rest of the Philippine Islands will have variable winds with some chances of afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly over Visayas and Mindanao and some isolated areas of the Bicol region. And so far, that's the latest for this Friday, and we will be returning again on Monday to give you more updates on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Happy weekend to all. The #WeatherWiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel.